Yo guys, welcome back to another Transy News video, and in this episode of debunking our myths and bringing some updates, I think Liverpool actually finally signed our Coutinho replacement, and I don't think it's a player, you guys. I think it is, or you guys probably don't have anybody in mind, but Liverpool, it's officially only in the works now. It's been announced like a month or two ago, but yeah, Liverpool agreed a deal to sign Samuel Martinez from Atletico Nacional, a 17-year-old Colombian kid, guys, and he is apparently a very special player, and many clubs are also in for him. Like you see, the Borussia Dortmund is also in for him, and yeah, Liverpool fought off some competition, and what else was said from Bayern as well. And guys, I think this could be a good signing. Like he's only 17 years old, and we never really invested in like young European, like South American players. So I think this is a good deal. Finally, the club is like the Estovao deals, those kind of deals. This could end up being a great player. So obviously, we'll see we'll see what happens this season. He might probably be loaned out. I'm not sure, but it's gonna be okay. He's joining in 2027, so when he turns 18. But yeah, this is at least some good news, and we'll have like one of those youngsters. So this could be a long-term Coutinho replacement. Let's hope so. And apparently, it's very promising. So going on to other news, guys. Oh, actually, before I move over there, just some stats about Samuel Martinez. He averaged 7.23 dribbles per 90. That's a lot in the under 17 CONMEBOL, and a completed 62.5. That's good. He averaged 3.25 progressive passes. That's great. Second highest among midfielders. He's a brilliant ball carrier, works a ton off the ball, and covers a lot of ground. Liverpool are getting a gem. So, guys, we'll see what happens, but I think it's quite interesting, and I'm actually happy with that signing. So let's see what happens when he joins 2027. Hopefully, apparently he's a lot like Kaka, so hopefully he's as good as Kaka, even better. So just moving on, guys, to we just saw after the World Cup last night there was a lot of talk behind this, like Saka and Barcola talking, and obviously now with Morgan Rogers moving to Chelsea, that opens up the left wing spot. And guys, if I hope you're not joking about Barcola joining Arsenal because he's laughing too hard. They're like, what? Look at that! Like what? Why is he laughing so hard? But yeah, that all over all over Twitter or X it was roaming around. But we still don't have really any updates on Barcola. I'm sure now that France is officially out of the World Cup, this coming week from tomorrow onwards is going to be very important. So that's definitely something we should keep our eye on. And yeah, we'll see. Hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully, Barcola, if both of us, Arsenal and Liverpool, are in for him, let's hope he chooses us. But we'll see. Yeah, but I'll keep you updated on that story. Going next, guys, we got some Deal Monday news, some Deal Monday updates. We're lost, right? But anyways, Fabrizio Romano said Arsenal over the last few days made some checks with the agents of Jan Diomande. What? To understand if there was still a chance to enter the deal. Guys, if they get there on Monday. Anyway, Arsenal made some calls to understand the situation. I don't know if it's like, guys, even look here, at the moment, Arsenal and PSG are the two clubs to watch. If Arsenal with Coca-Cola, then Diomande joins PSG. If Arsenal sneak it for Diomande, Pacola stays. With Liverpool in this picture, guys, this is a little bit concerning because this is a player that Liverpool obviously wanted to. I don't know, we bid like 120. I don't know how much you bid. But, anyways, if he can play on the left and the right, Bacola, I'm not sure if he can play on the right. And we need a right wing as well. So, if I had to choose between the two and they were the same price, I would go for Diomande. But, yeah, what do you guys think about this news of Arsenal potentially going for Diomande? That's came out of nowhere. Like, why isn't PSG signing him? Like, literally, there was so many news after we made our bid. No, Diomande rejected us for PSG, but why is Arsenal's name being thrown in? And that's something interesting. But I hope it's nothing further than that. But yeah. So, anyways, guys, that's the transfer updates for today. And yeah, it's a slow Sunday. The World Cup is tonight. Hopefully, everyone will tune in. I'll probably make a live stream. But guys, I will let you guys know when it's any other Liverpool news coming out soon or anything related to us transfer wise. And yeah, pre-season's next week. We're looking forward to that. But yeah, so make sure to stick around, stay tuned, make sure to like, subscribe if you guys do enjoy this content, and comment down below what you guys think about the next Kaka, the Coutinho replacement. What do you guys think about the Bacola situation and last year the Diomande situation? So guys, yeah, until next time.